All right, we got the Fluid Master Perform Max. This is the old, probably pre-installed or some, $5-10 fix. We're gonna install this one. It's supposed to help with water hammer and be better flow. This one has definitely seen better days. So adjust it to the same height. Make sure everything's clean. Go in there, get some of this, build up, anything like that. Clean it up, and then we'll get this installed. Pretty much the same way. Again, feed it through, locking nut, squish down this gasket. This is a brand new one, of course, but same basic design. Gasket goes squished in, then your supply line. Now mine looks a little different because there's a T because of my bidet, but yours will look the same, just without this line. It'll just have the supply from your wall go into your toilet. 7/8 ball cock, no problem. Check that gasket. If it's bad, replace it. Otherwise, connect. We give it a flush, full flush. Full flush, all the way open. You can decide how much water you want going to your or not, just with this little valve. Just for the sake of refilling, I'm going max. Let's listen for water hammer. So still a bit of water hammer. I might have to just tweak my PRV just a little bit, but definitely more controlled than what it was before. I used to have to close my water valve or the supply valve to kind of have it hiss a little bit just at the end rather than the thump. So yeah, this bit long, gonna have to just trim this a little bit so it's downward, but otherwise call it a success. By the way, this is the 400H, not to be confused with the 400A, which is the standard, probably the one that looks like that with the black top. So different models, different whatever, you know what I mean? So get the one according to what you need, adjust it as necessary, and it's pretty straightforward. So there's no need for me to actually show it, just a couple of nuts, drop that one out, drop the new one in, and make sure you install your clip properly so this doesn't just kind of refill into here, because then you'll notice your toilet bowl will not fill properly and you're gonna think it's bad and take it back to the store and waste some gas, and it was just that this is not properly filling. And also make sure you adjust to the water line for your tank. If you don't see yours on the where the flap is, it could be on a mark somewhere engraved into the actual bowl. So keep that in mind as well.